Love you too. Love you too. My love is true.
All of that. And all you gotta do is freeze that, right?
So, Ollie, what are you scooping into that container right now?
White and
Egg white and what?
That's egg white. That's how much we mixed it. And
how much?
tiny bit at the beginning.
So that's egg white, right? Not cream.
Yeah, that used to be egg white.
Oh, that's impressive, guys.
And we only put
Alright.
white sugar in it.
What about this? What's this there?
That's
that's
cookies and cream.
no, it's mint chocolate
And it's very
Mint chocolate.
all that from the very top, so that was at the top. That used to be at the very top. That's how much mint we poured in.
You poured it.
Hey.
Yeah, I poured 2 cats full of it in.
Not bad, guys. Alright, what about that one in the middle?
This one?
Yes.
That one's just egg yolk.
Egg yolk.
Sugar and
Full egg.
Alright, then the last ones. What is going on with these two bowls?
These are just cream.
Cream? What for?
Just
Do you guys,
cream.
do you guys know yet? Ah, well done. Someone got it.
Alright, who wants to start adding this here?
Can I do it?
Yeah?
Okay.
We just gotta pour it slowly into
Oh,
here.
here. Okay. And this thing, where the shaving cream is.
Shaving cream.
It's like shaving cream. What do you want? Oh.
Hey, what are you doing? He keeps on purposely pouring them on it and then
Alright.
picking them up.
Who wants to start folding?
No.
He keeps
Actually, no,
purposely
add them.
pouring
I wanna
them
add-
out. And then
You
eating
do
them.
both. Alright, start folding that together. And I'm gonna start adding this, alright?
Okay. Can I have something to pull this out? Like get this out? Oh. Coming tomorrow?
Yes, I am.
Yeah.
There's a pin down here.
Oh, thank you. Leave it to Ooh. Is that ice cream? Is that what I think it is? Is that ice cream?
It says food coloring and mint. He used all that mint.
It's way too much. Look.
He used all that from the top.
You used all that?
Yeah.
You must
It
be
was only
crazy.
2
of the
catfuls.
cats.
It was 2 catfuls. 2.
So what, we're eating color here?
I can't.
Yeah. That's flavor. That's flavor.
Well, it better have flavor. You're gonna go through all this. Man, I saw you guys put in a couple of chocolate chip cookie in there.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I keep accidentally dropping
That's mint chocolate.
Purposely.
Which one?
Peter, I need one of you guys to grab me some ice, please.
Where should I put
In the
this?
freezer. Thank you, Henry.
Where should I put
Both
this?
of you guys, thank you.
Alright.
It's a lot.
Now what we're gonna do next requires a lot of concentration. Because we have to somehow make it cookies and cream and then boysenberry. So we cannot mix the two.
I can do it.
Did you just draw a line through it? You know it's liquid, right? This I love it. I know. He was like, yeah, I know what to do. Put a line straight through it.
The line has to be better. Maybe we should.
Thank you very much,
In
guys.
fact, what we might do
Is eat all the chocolate chips.
No, we can just use this.
Or you can use the chocolate chip to build a wall.
Exactly.
Ooh.
Alright, that's about halfway.
I'm so excited.
We are gonna
What are you? Oh my God.
we're gonna do this teaspoon up. Henry, pop it down. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do it like this.
Okay.
And then we're gonna slowly fold it into this side, alright?
What are you looking at, Tiny?
Alright, and then on this side,
Wait, if you're not
we're gonna do the boysenberry. Yeah? You can both do it. Maybe some, can you grab that dessert teaspoon like this here? Henry? What? Yeah?
No way. So what? God.
You want to take a spoonful of this? Okay, that needs.
Is it done? Is it done? Thank you. I'll be there in a minute. Leave the rest in the back room. So we're having this. Is it today or tomorrow? Tomorrow. No. Sorry. Well, I am patient, but why wait to eat this? We could start now. I can't. One hand is a bit preoccupied. Are you sure you know what you're doing?
I'm pretty sure. Who did this?
Sorry?
I think we've got
You do yours tomorrow,
enough.
so be patient.
Yeah, that's good.
Oh,
That's really good. Yeah.
We're doing the rest of Oreos.
Add a couple more.
on Thursday, yes. 2 groups.
Alright, there we go.
Yeah.
Can I bring my gloves tomorrow?
Your what?
Already providing gloves.
Already, bro. What is it?
Why would you provide
We'll bring the bags.
Alright.
It is their program. You will do yours on Thursday.
We are done. Carefully lift that. And now we have 2
Oh, that's very good.
2 separate ice creams. Look at that. Did he do it? Did he? Did he?
Did you just call me shit?
Sorry.
Oh my god. We're
Yeah.
I didn't even say that.
All right, I'm out.
presentation.
Hands